Hey guys, this is Yen Japney here. So today I'm coming to you with a how to put on a waist trainer. So I'm going to show you how I put it on and all the tips and tricks. Let's go ahead. So, this is how I thought I'd wear a white dress so you can see, how it looks like more clearly on the white as opposed to my regular black top. So you can see here, and usually I'm a size 6 to 8, and obviously my weight fluctuates, so I can fit a size S. So I've got a size S here. So this is an S, and I can also fit a size extra small. So usually when I want that extra, snatch waist, I would go the extra small. But for comfort, and if I'm going to wear it every single day, you want to go for the correct size, which is, in my case, is a size S. So today I'm going to show you how a size S on me looks like, and I'll show you how to put it on as well. So first things first, you want to unbutton it. So I'll just zoom in so you guys can see. So I've got here a size S to show you guys. And then so usually this is how it's meant to be. So the curve is for the underbust and the front. So just undo it, put it around your waist. So and usually when I start putting on my waist trainer, I usually start from the bottom and then I work my way up. I find that way works better. And also another thing is say for instance, if you work out and you wear your waist trainer directly on your skin, then you need to wash your waist trainer more regularly, because you don't want back acne. So if you're going to wear it on your skin often, you need to hand wash your waist trainer. So I'll do another video on that later. But usually what I do, so I can wear the waist trainer, and because I'm lazy sometimes, what I do is I just get a shirt or a t-shirt and wear something underneath the waist trainer. And of course you can wear this as a fashion statement as well, so that works out too. So I'm going to start from the bottom, and because I'm a little bit more bustier, I can't see up to here. So usually what I do is I'm in front of a mirror and then I can put it on easier. But right now I'm recording, so you just gotta bear with me. So if you have a big bust like me as well, so yeah, what I recommend is to be in front of a mirror. So there you go. So you can see this is nicely under the bust, and also this area helps with that, little top muffin that we tend to get when we sit down. So normally they just go straight here, and then they don't really cover it and they push your breast up too much. So this sits like this, and it looks amazing for like a fashion statement as well. And also you can see here, let me just, over here there's a little curve, so it helps hide your lower stomach pouch. So that's how it looks like, and so you can see the difference on my waist. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. So I'm looking at doing more videos to show you guys and help you guys on your waist trainer journey. Make sure you comment below any recommendation or any type of video you want to see, or any questions you have. Comment below, subscribe, stay tuned. And we're also, I wanted to share with you, we've got some exciting news on our new products. So yeah, something to do with this in new designs. So I can't wait to share with you. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the bell button, and subscribe on the email on the website as well. And stay tuned. I can't wait to share it with you. See ya. Enjoy that video. I'm going blah, 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 blah. And then watch your space. I just had a brain dead. Oh my god. I've got two sizes here. I've got the size really going blah, 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 blah.